you are here, even if you are already civilly wed, to ask the favor and support of God in this marriage. Why? Because you want to commit yourself that you will love beyond feelings. That you will love each other until the end of your life because it is your choice. Hence, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Patrick, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Nagpapakasal kayo ngayon and St. Patrick para maging isa kayo. That is our expectation from this day, and that is our hope. But I would like to remind you and St. Patrick, true, because of this marriage you will become one. But we are also hoping and praying because of this marriage you will still become two. Why and how? We expect that because of your union and through your union, you will discover your uniqueness and your possibilities. You will discover the best of yourselves. And that is the goal of this marriage. Not only to love each other, not only to bear children, but the goal of this marriage also is for you to discover the goodness that is in each of you.
It's such a beautiful night to make a change in our life. She's tangled in the sky and people on the side talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two, to be lying awake and be here talking to you. I got something to say, I know what I gotta do to be making a change now, the moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? But I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. So I count
Hence,
2, 3.
do you take Patrick here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
One word, one love, one life.
Ano na, ito na yung real reaction ko.
Anak, congrats! May new life ka na. Kaya, be good, saka ang Diyos, huwag kakalimutan. Mahal na mahal kita.
I wish you all the best. I wish more love, more happiness, and more trips with me, of course. And I wish that more babies too.
What a wonderful way of falling deeper in you. Why was I feeling nervous when things were going so perfect? And now I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count to 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all day.
So if you wish to stay in love with each other and faithful in your promise, babalik kayo sa inyong krus. God's love and the love of these people who love you very much. Kapag kailangan ng tulong, magpatulong sa Diyos at sa Kanyang bayan. Amen. Palakpakan po natin si Enz at si Patrick.